Students, today we will read chapter number 1, the present perfect tense. Students, the present perfect tense is a tense which link the past events with the present events. Actually, it helps us to talk about the activity that was started in the past but have continued till the present. It is formed with has and have plus past participle form of verb. It means the third form of verb. So, for example, mother has baked a cake. Mother plus has and the past participle form of verb baked a cake. They have gone home. They plus have plus third form of verb plus object. They have gone home. Negatively, we can write my mother has not baked a cake. So in negative we use has, have plus not plus past participle form of verb. And question, has your mother baked a cake? Here has, have plus subject and participle form of verb. Past participle form of verb. It means the third form of verb. Some irregular verbs use the same form for the past tense and past participle. Okay. Here is a table where you can see the present tense, past tense and past participle tense like has, had, finish, finished, worked, chopped, dipped, dipped, paid, is Amar, Mosber, been, broken, write, wrote, written, go, went, gone, eat, ate, eaten, see, saw, seen. So it is clear that irregular verb don't conform to the usual rule for forming the simple past tense or past participle. They are sometimes same and sometimes different. Sometimes same like finish, and different like break, broken. Irregular verb can be same or can be different. Now we will discuss about the uses of present perfect tense. Students, present perfect tense used to talk about the activities that have taken very recently. And here we use verbs already and yet. Like she has just come in. Just means a short time ago. It means she has come a short time ago. I have just finished cooking. It means I have finished cooking just now, a short time ago. I have already called her. Already means sooner than expected. It means I have called her sooner than she expected. Now we use yet generally with negative sentence and questions. Have they come yet? They haven't called yet. The present perfect tense is used to talk about activity that were started in the past and have continued till the present. I have already told you that this tense is used to talk about the activity that have continued still, that was started in the past and have continued till the present. Like, and in this sentence we use for and since. For we use for a period of time, like for 5 hours, so 2 days, a week, 10 year, 4 year, 5 years. And since is used for a point of time where exact time is given, like last night, yesterday, last Sunday, 2005 p.m. Where point of time is given, we use since. Where period of timing is given, where exact time is not given, we use for. For example, he has studied music for 6 years. It means he is still studying music. I have known her since 2010. It means I still know her. See, we use for here for 6 years and since 2010. I have played badminton since childhood. It means I still play badminton. Okay, so for is used for period of time and since point of time. Here 2010 is given. It means the exact year. So we use since here. Now, third point, it is used to talk about activity that was carried out in the past but whose result can be seen in the present. This tense is used to talk about the activities that were carried out in the past but whose result can be seen in the present. Like, I have cleaned the house. It means you can see how clean it is now. She had made sandwiches for everybody. They are on the table now. She has hurt her knee. It means it is bleeding now. Fourth, it is used to talk about personal experience where the experience considered more important than the time. Example, I have been to Calcutta several times. I have read all the Harry Potter's book. I have never traveled in an aeroplane. These sentences show their personal experience. It is also used for relaying some news. Whenever we want to say talk about some news, we can use this sentence like, our team has won the match. I have bought a new fridge. He has passed the exam. Now we will see the difference between the present perfect and simple past tense. Students usually confuse about these two tense. So we will find out the difference. First one is, in present perfect tense, the activity that was started in the past continue up to the present. The main difference is this: activity was started in the past but it still continued. Okay, he has been the manager for 3 years now. It means he is still the manager. I have lived here since 2000. It means I am still living here. But in simple past, the activity is over. In the past, he was the manager for 3 years. It means he was the manager. Now he is not a manager. He is no longer the manager now. I have lived here in 2000. I am not living here now. I was living there in 2000. I am not living there now. So the clear difference is that in present perfect tense, activity was started in the past but it still continue in the present, and in simple past, activity is over in the past. Second one is, when we speak of personal experience in perfect tense, we can use the sentence without mentioning a time. We need not to mention the time especially. Like, I have never been on a roller coaster. We need not to mention time here. And in past tense, we always use the word in a sentence indicating the time that have passed, such as last week, last year, 2 years ago, etc. I went on a roller coaster in Fun City 2 years ago. Here we use the time to show an action, because here the action has been completed in the past. So it is a clear difference between present perfect and simple past tense.